Good afternoon, guys and gals. Something a bit different for you today. I thought I would come venturing in my garage and show you something that I've had hiding away for quite a few years. Now, I'm not going to tell you what it is straight away, but can you tell what it is just by the badge? Obviously, friends of mine know exactly what it is, but I shall just show you. Don't mind me if I fall over. There's a lot of crap in this garage and I'm tripping up over things. There you go. This is my 1991 Nova GSi. I've had this car since 13th of August 2004, so I've had it quite a long time. It was registered the 22nd of May 91. And that is the tax disc showing when the car was last on the road. Yes, that is 2005, 31st October. So yeah, it's been off the road for a long time. But I just wanted to do a video to talk about the Nova, show you around it as best I can. As I say, I've got a lot of stuff in my garage, so I'm trying to work my way around it as best as I can. Got my Mark II Cavalier convertible sat here. Lots of junk, and there we have the Nova. It's currently on Speedline Alessios on this side of the car because I could only get to this side of the car. I just wanted to put a couple of them on. As you can see, I've got them in this dark metallic black. I wanted to put them on and see what I thought, whether I decide to keep them or sell them. I know not everybody likes Alessios, but I suppose there's a lot of people in the Nova community who've got GSIs who say that Alessios are the only wheel to have. The wheels on the other side you can't see, it's far too dark, but the wheels on the other side are the same as this. These are the wheels that the car came with. DBV of this kind of multi-spoke design. That's what came on it when I first bought the car. But as you can see, they've been sat for a long time and totally flat bottomed. So the tyres are totally wrecked, which is a shame because they're Yokohamas with loads of grip on them, loads of tread, but I mean they're very old tyres anyway. Obviously they came actually with my Mark II Cavalier SRI. These tyres are swapped over onto these wheels from my old Cavalier, so that's going back to like 2000, 2001. So they're very old tyres anyway, but as you can see they're all totally wrecked. So yeah, I'll just show you around the car as best as I can. As you can see, it's half clean because I kind of wiped over it just to get rid of the dust and I couldn't reach the other side. So this side of the car's clean. Anyway, it is diamond black metallic. I don't know if the phone will focus in very well, but it's a really nice colour. I think GSIs look great in this, and you don't see all that many of them in this colour. And as I say, it's been off the road so long because I started doing some work on it and then other projects took over, other cars took over, and I didn't really get much further with it. It was in my dad's garage for several years, and then when I moved to this house it came up here and came in the garage up here. Then me and my ex split and it ended up going back into my dad's garage. And then I managed to get the house back and it came back up here. So it has been driven a couple of times. So my mum and dad live, what, 2/10 of a mile away? So it's not exactly been driven a long way. Obviously on trade plates, honest. So it's been, you know, taxed and insured, honest. But I say it's literally just been up the road with the hazards on, as if it's been on tow. So it's not exactly been very far, but it has at least been driven within them within that time. But yeah, it's a really nice clean example in some respects. I mean, like for example, the door cards are original. They've never had speaker holes cut in. The seats are pretty good. I apologise again if you can't really see very good. I'm doing as best as I can with my old iPhone. It's just got that wear hole on the driver's bolster. But the rest of the interior is actually really clean and tidy. So as I see at the moment, it's being used for storage. got tyres and all sorts in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it here for now, and then I'm going to do another video where I come to start the engine. I've just been and got a can of fuel for it because I did try it earlier, but it was completely empty. I'll just quickly show you under the bonnet. So there you go. Still got the old original 1.6 injected 8 valve, still all original. Actually, while I've got the bonnet up, I'll just show you some of the bits I've got to do. The good old front panel is rusted in the usual places at both ends, and there's a hole through. I don't know if you can see the light shining through there. I ought to have done this with the light turned on, the torch turned on actually, so you could see better. So I might do that on the next video. So for now, I'll leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll hopefully be able to do a cold start and see how it runs with fresh fuel. Because last time I started it, it was running really rough, but I put that down to the fact it was right on the very dregs of fuel in the bottom of the tank, and it was probably really old fuel. So alright then guys, so I'll see you in the next vid. Cheers, bye.